When researching for educational resources online, it is a good idea to start by looking at known open source content providers. This video will introduce you to some of the main open source educational websites and how to use their search functions. This video will also show you how to search for open educational resources through the Creative Commons website. It is important to make sure that you are uploading information from credible websites. So let's go over some of the helpful online resources that are either public domain or licensed by Creative Commons. Khan Academy provides a multitude of videos focusing mainly on math and science. You can search for videos either by using the search bar or by looking through the lists at the bottom of the main page, which are organized by subject. All of creator Sal Khan's videos are licensed with the Creative Commons Non-Commercial Share-alike license. You can see the Creative Commons license icon here. When you click on it, it will take you to a Creative Commons page describing the license in detail. ck12.org is a great website for online textbooks. You can search for materials using the search bar or filtering by subject matter. CK12's catalog covers many different subjects for the middle and high school level. The great thing about CK12 is that you can download an entire textbook or just individual chapters as needed. You can even mix and match chapters from different texts to create your own flexbook. Like Khan Academy, CK12 includes the Creative Commons logo on its site to indicate which license they are using. Connections is another website with shared educational material. Connections material comes in two different formats: smaller pieces called modules and larger groupings called collections. Collections are constructed from many modules. Connections covers many subject areas, and the material ranges from middle school to college level and has a filtered search function so you may find your items more easily. Connections materials are also covered by Creative Commons licenses, though the license differs from item to item. Look for the Creative Commons logo at the bottom of the screen to see that item's license. With Connections items, it is important to remember to give credit to the author when uploading the item for NetText. Currikey is a collaborative online community where people can upload educational teacher resources such as articles, labs, review sheets, worksheets, and videos. Currikey gives you the option of searching by subject, grade level, or resource type. For example, you can search for science exercises for 6th through 8th graders. Let's look at this first item. Like Connections, Currikey items have their own copyright licenses, so it is important to check the Information tab to find the license details, which in this case is Attribution 3.0. LibriVox is an online catalog of audiobooks, short stories, poems, and speeches. You can find audio files such as the Gettysburg Address on LibriVox. Search by clicking on LibriVox Catalog and then typing in the title and author in the space provided.
This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org.
All of the materials found on LibriVox are public domain, as they clearly indicate on every page as well as at the start of every recording. Apple iTunes University provides a variety of educational materials in both audio and video format that cover subjects from chemistry to classical music. These resources are frequently uploaded by universities or other educational institutions, such as museums or music centers, and can be applied to many different grade levels. Materials uploaded to iTunes University include videos, podcasts, lectures, concerts, labs, and interviews. One great profile is the Periodic Table of Videos, run by the University of Nottingham. They upload educational videos about each of the chemical elements that are interesting and fun to watch.
So Neil's got a sample of sodium. Sodium is a very reactive metal. It's stored under an oil to stop air or moisture getting on it. stop it oxidizing, stop it reacting. You can see it's a very soft metal, so he's going to put his knife in and withdraw the lump of sodium. So there's about 2 kilos of sodium here. It's a really quite large rod.
Project Gutenberg is a source for ebooks. All of the texts on Project Gutenberg are in the public domain and can be found by searching for the title or author in the search bar. These ebooks can be downloaded in different file formats, as you can see here in this item page for Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. The iPad handles EPUB seamlessly, so we recommend downloading the EPUB format. If these sites do not provide enough information for a certain subject or topic, it can be helpful to search through Creative Commons. If you type your subject matter into the search bar on the Creative Commons homepage, they will bring up a list of relevant and credible websites that have Creative Commons licenses.